Hi friends, this is Jennifer from DecorSauce, and today is going to be just a very quick video so I can update you on how my General Finishes gel stain has been performing in my master bathroom from my project I completed 5 years ago. But first, here's the before. Alright friends, I'm sorry about the echo chamber that I'm bringing you into, but behind me are my cabinets, and the color that I used was the Java in the General Finishes gel stain. And here they are today. Or may not have been able to tell by my short footage there of the cabinets, they look as perfect today as they did 5 years ago when I first applied the gel stain. So if you're on the fence or you're thinking about applying this product, I wouldn't hesitate at all. I couldn't compliment it enough. It's been fabulous. And guys, I do not get compensated at all from General Finishes for talking about their product. I've used it in several bathrooms. I used it in my whole kitchen, and I couldn't love it any more than I do. It's the fastest way to update a cabinet. These were honey oak before, and they were so hideous. That I'm just thrilled with the result. Now, if you want to see the full transformation of this bathroom, it is on my website at DecorSauce.com, so make sure you check that out. It includes the floors, the cabinets, the countertops, everything. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any new releases when I put them out there. Your support really helps, guys, and I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy DIY.